First gift. Oh my God. You guys don't even know how excited I am for this one. I've seen these on the internet forever and I've wanted to get one. If you can't tell, it is a burrito blanket. So you can wrap yourself up like a burrito. This packaging is killing me. It comes in it looks like a burrito. I get way too excited about stuff because you do not seem nearly as excited as I am.
I'm kind of excited to see you in it, I guess.
See me all wrapped up like a burrito? I'm excited too. See if I can like not that it matters, because by the time I open them, it's all the
oh, no. Did you cut the blanket?
No. I think I just got the foil. I think it's okay.
Is the foil not part of the blanket?
Who would want to wrap themselves up in this like sharp foil? Stop. Do you see this?
Yeah, I thought it was better than that though.
What do you mean better than that?
I'm sorry for offending you.
Are we looking at the same thing here? Because I see a burrito blanket.
Yeah, but I thought that like, you could like actually wrap yourself up and look like you were in a foil burrito.
You could like kind of wrap yourself up, look like a foil burrito.
This looks like a weird pattern blanket.
Yours? No.
Don't look like a burrito.
How do I not look like a burrito?
I don't know, because you've got a tapered end down here.
Well, tuck me in.
Is it not even square? Oh, it's a round blanket.
Yeah, that's why.
It legitimately is like a burrito.
Yeah, see? Do I look like a burrito?
No.
I feel like a burrito. I feel very cocooned. What part of it doesn't look like a burrito?
The tapered part.
Now does it look better?
Now your mic is like all muffled and weird.
Does it look better though?
Sure.
This one was $29.99, which I feel like for a cozy blanket and something that's very fun is a really good price. It's soft though, have you felt it?
Yeah, I felt it when I was wrapping you up like a burrito.
See, even you said you're wrapping me up like a burrito because I look like a burrito. Oh my God. It says it's pizza socks box. Oh my God. Look at it. I'm sorry, come on. I feel like everything's all in the packaging. You get it, you open it up, and it's a pizza box, and it looks like a pizza, even has this little pizza thing, and it has pineapple. This has to be like a Hawaiian slice of pizza.
Pineapple doesn't belong on pizza.
It belongs on every pizza. This is the coolest thing ever. I don't want to ruin it. Yeah, see, these are kind of weird looking socks with mushrooms all over them, but at the same time, I just love the packaging of it. Look at these. Now those are some colorful socks. I'm not sure what kind of pizza that's supposed to be. It looks like it's got like arugula.
How do you get arugula?
Look at this. That definitely looks like arugula. It's got a little stem, it's got little leaves.
Who puts arugula on pizza?
People who arugula on pizza. They're all so colorful. Yeah, look at the pineapple.
Telling me pineapple should not be on pizza. Or arugula.
Okay, I have had pizza with arugula. Not bad, I kind of like it. But pineapple is like the only mandatory topping on pizza other than cheese and sauce.
I strongly disagree.
Is so good. I am literally the type of person who orders a pizza.
And when it comes with not enough pineapple on the pizza, even though I say extra pineapple, I open a can of pineapples or de-thaw my frozen pineapples and then chop those up and put them on the pizza so I can have extra pineapple on my pizza.
I think I have to put on some socks. I mean, how can I judge the quality of this gift if I don't put it on my nubs?
So how much were they?
$34.99, which I feel like for a Christmas gift or birthday gift, that's not that bad. Like $34, not a bad gift. I know that like fun, funky dress socks are kind of a thing these days, but I don't know if pizza dress socks are totally a thing. Would you wear these? The pineapple ones?
No, I wouldn't wear the pineapple ones, just out of principle.
The pepperoni ones.
I'd probably wear those ones.
Well, there
But
we
the
go.
others, I just feel like they're just random patterns. And I like to like have actual shapes and things.
Yeah, actually like these ones to me are the most ones that say pizza. I feel like these ones just say odd blobs. Hold it right there. Before I bring out the next one, I want to thank this week's sponsor, NordVPN. Kevin has been trying to convince me to get a VPN changer for years, but I didn't really understand what it all was. Basically, NordVPN acts as a giant shield blocking out hackers from accessing your private data, such as your passwords or your online banking when you're connected to a public network or even when you're at home. Your internet traffic goes through an encrypted tunnel, securing your data and redirecting it to one of the servers of a VPN provider. Meaning when you're out and about using some sketchy cafe or hotel's Wi-Fi, or really anyone's Wi-Fi, your privacy is protected. That is cool and all. Being protected and not getting my identity stolen is always a good life choice. But what sold it for me was unlocking Netflix and other entertainment sites that are blocked in my country. Ever seen that super annoying text that comes on screen saying this video isn't available in your country? Well, no more. Now I can binge The Great British Bake Off whenever I want. And the funny thing is, I had no idea how many movies and TV shows I was missing out on because of regional restrictions. NordVPN has amazing 24/7 customer service and offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. You guys can go to nordvpn.com/theicingartist or use code theicingartist to get a 2-year plan plus 1 additional month with a huge discount. That's nordvpn.com/theicingartist or code theicingartist. Back to the gifts. It's a Nachoosaurus. It's like a dinosaur, but made of nachos. Oh, it's got a little divider. Here, guacamole and salsa. Okay, give me the chips. Let's try to fill this up. Nachoosaurus. Okay, there's a diagram to go by. That's one. Oh no, what about the curved chips?
You should look at the picture again.
Oh no, what'd I do?
It's just a little bit. I mean, look at how crisp that picture looks.
Okay, but you didn't give me flat chips. You gave me curved chips.
There's a whole bag here.
So I'm supposed to like go through my chips to find the flat chips?
That's what I'm saying. This is a type of thing that you're going to set up once, think it's hilarious, and never do it again because it's so much work.
Yeah, but it's called Nachoosaurus.
You're manhandling everybody's chips.
I know, right? Imagine this for a kid's party and you're putting out all your hors d'oeuvres, you know? And you've got your salsa and your Nachoosaurus.
Yeah,
I can see it. I can totally see it.
As soon as it's empty, the kids are going to be so upset and make you refill it again.
The only thing I don't like is it doesn't hold that many taco chips, nacho chips, tortilla chips. But you have to like manhandle all of them. I don't know about this one. I can't remember how much it was. How much was it?
I don't know.
27.
I don't think it's worth $27.
But for like a dinosaur themed party, I don't know. I feel like for $27, it might be too much money just for like a fun little thing that you're probably gonna use once. Next one. Like, who made these and why? Like somebody thought, I love carbs and bread so much that I'm gonna make them into slippers so I can wear them.
Oh, they're loaves of bread.
What did you think they
I
were?
don't know. Weird slippers.
No, I think it's supposed to be a baguette. See?
Yeah, I can see it now. I see it.
Wait. See? Like a little loaf of bread. They feel really hard on the bottom, and I feel like there's like barely any room for your foot to go into. Like it would be really squishing your foot. I don't know. I feel like this one might be too far. What do you think? Or do you love them? You did say you need new slippers.
You need new slippers. Those would look like they'd be really worn though.
Yeah, like they would really roast your tubs.
Yeah.
Your tubs?
Your nubs.
Yeah, your nubs.
You want to try them on?
I guess.
They look pretty ridiculous.
They feel ridiculous. They were $21. I mean, for $20 for a friend, I feel like I would send them this in the mail because sometimes it's fun to send your friends funny things with no explanation and they open it up. Like if your friend got, bread slippers in the mail, it's pretty random. What do you think? Too gimmicky?
Yeah, too gimmicky.
Too random, too weird? I feel like so too. Okay, if someone loves sushi, come on. Come on. Don't you think this is kind of funny?
Yeah, but I thought it looked better in the picture, didn't it?
Well, everything always looks better in the picture.
What's the bottle
Wait,
for?
someone-
Is that a bottle? What is that?
Soy sauce.
With your socks.
I have no idea. The bottle came empty. I have no idea why they put a bottle in this. Oh my God, look at the little, they put like a little grass to go between it. And you've got like your wasabi.
I think it was a cotton balls.
Yeah, no, but it was supposed to be wasabi. Okay, so this one's socks too, which I feel like it could be the same situation as the pizza socks. You love pizza, the pizza box and the socks is really fun. You love sushi. Okay, I like them. Even if you can't tell that that's salmon, I feel like it's a fun enough pattern. Although I wish that it went all the way and it wasn't just like these white tips at the end. I feel like it's a fun gift for someone like sushi. If you're just gonna get a gift for somebody instead of just getting them a candle or a bottle of soap or something, like that's really fun. Gifts are funny. Like a lot of people have no idea what to get them. So half the time I end up getting them ridiculous gifts because I figured it's at least worth a laugh.
That's a good point. Is that like when you have someone who's really hard to buy for?
Yes!
It's kind of a useless gift, but a little bit useful, but it's just kind of funny.
That's the thing. If there's someone who's impossible to buy for, you don't know what to get them, at least you can get them something that's gonna give them a laugh. And I mean, I wouldn't hate wearing these socks. Would you wear these?
I don't think I'd wear those ones.
Too pink?
I'm not bold enough to pull them off.
Okay, $14.99. I feel like for $14.99, that's a pretty good gift. If they don't like it, it's just one pair. I don't know. I feel like out of all of these gifts, this is probably the one that I'd be most likely to buy again because it's cheap enough that you're not wasting too much money for a funny gift, but yet it's like on theme. I know so many people who love sushi. I like it. I think it's a good gift. Let me know down below, guys. Did you like any of these? Would you buy them for anybody? If you guys want to see more content like this, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell. See you guys again next week.